Hi friends, welcome to Hello Kiran Nandiyar YouTube channel. In this video, we will make one simple to-do list program by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now check the result. So this is the text. When I click add task button, so task will be added. So the second task will be added below the first task. So I deleted one and I deleted two. The delete function will be working well. So this is the simple to-do list program. Okay, let's see the code. So here first we create one div section. So the class name is to-do container. So in this div we take as one input button and UI. So for input take as ID name is task input. Here the ID name is add task. So the UL ID name is task list. So coming to JavaScript. So here document add event listener. So DOM content loader. So in this we take as one IDs task input, add task, task list. So when I click the add button, the input is empty, the alert will be coming enter a task. So when I enter the any text in this input, so the result will be coming along with the delete button. When I click the delete button, the task will be deleted. So this is the simple to-do list program. According to your to-do list program, you can design the CSS.